Hey guys, we received this Bomb key finder for test and try. They are the tracking devices with the item locator or the tags with the 164 feet limit, wireless locator for finding wallet, phone, glasses, pet or any other place. So you can see comes in a nice box with all this key finder in here is the hook and things. So basically you attach these small things or this one with your item and then this is the remote and you can just put in or if you want to locate you can just press the button and this will be so this requires two AAA batteries, so not supplied with the box, you have to add on your own and then you can see like it start working in. So if you want to find it you just press that button and it will start beeping with the sound, so it's easy for you to locate. Sound is loud as you can see or hear, and then you can also attach these things with any hook and attach to any place or anything. The small hooks and attachments are provided that you can easily use with these tags. The beep sound is around 70 to 85 dB and the remote range is 98 to 165 feet. You can also change the batteries when these are out. So 2032 battery, and once you replace you can just close it back and you are all set. So basically you can change very nice key locators that you can use.